What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another review. We are live with the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee in silver with a $2,500 black appearance package option, which includes black wheels, black accents, and all-season tires. I'm going to take you a little quick walk around on the vehicle, show some features, get a quick test drive, and overall give my thoughts. Let's go. For this review, we'll start underneath the hood, looking at Jeep's tried and true engine, the 3.6 liter V6, giving you 290 horsepower, 263 foot-pounds of torque. I do love the LEDs that Jeep incorporated in their vehicles this year. And with that black accent package, again, you get the black grille up front, black wheels, black mirror caps, and black badging. Of course, we got that 20% tint in the rear windows. Comes with the roof rack up top. Again, see that black badging with that blackout package you get. $2,500 option. In my opinion, is definitely worth it. Moving right along to the trunk. Power tailgate, of course. Tons of space in the back. Seats do fold down if you need to. Comes with a nice subwoofer. 12-volt outlet for anyone in the back who needs to charge their devices. Spare tire. Jack. And everything you need if you need it. Moving along to that second row. Tons of space. I'm about 5'9" on a good day. 39.5 inches of leg space, 39.5 inches of head space. Limited does get the heated seat option. Tons of USBs and USCs for your rear passengers as well. And just to give you guys an idea, tons of head space up top. I'm comfortable. Nice little LED light there as well, just in case I need it. Moving right along to the front, you got your memory seats. Power windows, power doors, power locks, of course. Power driver seat. Automatic headlights. Digital dashboard. You got an auto start stop button. Lane keep assist, traction control, emergency light, and parking sensors. On the screen here, you get your navigation. Does have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated seats, heated steering wheel is available up there. It's also available right underneath for quick access. Underneath the radio, more storage space, more chargers, more 12-volt battery plugs. Feels really high quality. They did a good job on that. Backup camera is nice and clear, and you can zoom in if you need to. A lot of my customers just leave it in auto. However, if you're stuck in crazy snow, if you're in sand and mud, or you want to get a little sporty, you got that option. And the digital dash changes as well. All right, you guys saw a couple of the features outside, inside. Let's take the thing on a quick test drive and see how it feels. All right, let's ride. So what I love about the Grand Cherokee is the visibility I have on this front windshield. Visibility is great all around. Not many blind spots that I can see. And if there are some, you just have to move your head just a tiny bit. It's all viewable. So we'll pull out of here, hit the gas a little bit, get some of that horsepower. Yeah, that's nice. Threw me back a little bit. Got a little smile on my face. Mind you, that's the V6. Now, when properly equipped, the V6 can tow up to 6,200 pounds. Which is enough. I mean, if you need anything more than that, get you a Ram or something. Steering wheel feels solid. It's leather wrapped. It's got paddle shifters if you want them. Heated, of course. The other thing I like about this Jeep is going to be kind of how you feel in the seat. I mean, it's a solid vehicle, solid seat, but it's still plush enough that you can fall asleep in, you know. And it sits up nice and high. Like yeah, my thing is up. I mean, I can drop it down a little bit, which I'm doing now, but it's still, it just feels good. Like I'm up a little bit higher than the dashboard. I can see over the front of the nose of the hood. So visibility is A+ for me. This one is equipped with blind spot monitoring. So if someone's in my blind spot, I don't have to break my neck to turn around and look. It's going to be a little yellow triangle light up in the rear view mirror. So that's really helpful. And they're big mirrors too. They're huge. So you see a lot of background, a lot of environment in these side mirrors, which is good. You want to see that. Actually, this is one of my favorite parts, where vehicles have this thing here. This is where I put my hand out. I rest my hand here. It's just easier for me. So that's nice. I will say under full throttle, oh, there's a deer crossing the road. I will say, almost hit it. I will say under full throttle, the transmission is a little wonky. If you're like straight mashing the gas, trying to shift, but it's not a performance transmission. It's not a performance vehicle, so I don't expect it to be crisp like I'm used to with the Charger, the Challenger, or even my Mustang. This feels like an economy transmission. Like it's not really made to be redlining, you know what I'm saying? So don't get this car, don't get this truck if you're looking for a performance vehicle. Get your Durango RT or even the Durango V6 model with the sport mode. You know what? Let's try that. Let me go into sport mode. See if it changes the transmission and the shifting point. That was an auto. I'm in sport right now. Let's see if it changes. I'm sitting at this red light and I don't like this. I wish I had a little more leg room on this side, but I guess you can't have everything. All right, so I'm in sport mode. I can automatically tell the difference in the takeoff. I'm gonna slow down here, let it decel. I'm gonna hit this, let's see, hold on. A little better. Merging on the freeway, yeah, a lot better. A lot better. So you put it in sport mode, you get a lot better shifting on the transmission. Doesn't want to upshift as easy. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, sport mode is nice. I like that. Keeps me in that lower gear. So when I need it. Oh yeah. Woo! Let me relax. Yeah, this is nice in sport mode. Kind of typical what I expected, but you got to feel it to really appreciate it. I was getting on the freeway, got up to 60 real smooth. This truck is solid, man. It's solid. I didn't feel any, like, it wasn't rocking me back and forth. It's a heavy truck for sure, but it's solid. It's planted to the ground, which is nice. That's what you want. I wish it was windy so I can really test it. Show you guys how the lane keep assist works. So we'll center it. You see it in the corner there, 2 green lines. Pushes us back in the middle. Real easy. So the Jeep is going to give you 26 miles to the gallon on the highway, 19 on the city, 23 miles per gallon combined, which is nice, man. Which is nice. You know, anything 20 and up is going to be nice. You're gonna notice that. You know what I'm saying? The truck is still a good sized truck. It's still a good sized SUV with the V6. So to get 26 miles to the tank, miles to the gallon on the highway. Of course, you know, we would like to see more, maybe 30, 35, but it's a V6, not a 4-cylinder, and it's a truck. It's an SUV. So you got to keep that in mind. I'm almost back at the dealership. Let me pull up there, give you my final thoughts, and wrap this review up. What's going on, man? We're back from the test drive. Man, I'm not gonna lie. I like the Jeep. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Reason being, the transmission wasn't as like snappy as I would want it to be, but it's not meant to be because it's not really a sports vehicle. It's more of a luxury, sort of a soft shifting type of transmission, and then the dashboard was a little weird, man. It had like a weird texture on the dashboard on this particular model. I don't know if you guys can notice in the video, but those are only two things. Other than that, the styling of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, the looks, the interior, the options, the safety, the miles per gallon, all that stuff's a 10 out of 10. I mean, come on. Like, how can you not like this? Silver with the black wheels? You guys are crazy, man. Listen, if you guys are in the market, DM me. Drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll answer them as best I can. If you're in the market, stop by, shoot me a text, shoot me a DM. If you're local, definitely stop by. Just get you in a test drive and see what you think for yourself. You might not like it, I don't know. Anyway, man, listen, I'm out. I'll catch you guys on the next review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how I did and what you guys want to see in the next review. All right, I'm out.